Welsh Dragon metals here. Going to be taking apart an old microwave for the goods inside. Should be instant profit. Be taking apart taking out the large transformer and the high voltage capacitor. They're worth more alone than they are in scrap. So let's get inside. Be careful with this. I've got lots of tools. Not sure exactly what I'll be needing though. Got a mask on for this. Could be quite dusty with a fan. If this is a fan oven. Find out. I'll be leaving the magnetron inside. Read the description to find out why. Ew. PC screws. Gross. Quite a lot of screws on this. Probably quite a few inside as well. After screw, eh? Good source of steel, those screws. Sorts of gunk stuck to this. This is street salvage, naturally. Starting to stick, these screws. It's just the bottom of the plastic scraping across the floor. String sound. Oh, can't be too many screws left now. Nice pile there. See a couple on the sides, a couple left here. Many left to go. Holding a transformer in place. There'll be a high voltage capacitor in here too. Probably discharge that using this chunk of copper. That'll be loud. Scary. That's if it's still charged, which it most likely is. But it's not safe for storage otherwise. There's still one there, covered in grease. That's stock on. And there's the capacitor. There's the transformer. Cut that. Oh. A little examination what we have. That's the high voltage capacitor. There. Looks like there's, oh, we have a blocking diode on it. That actually will be safe to remove most likely, since there's still a connector on there. No need to discharge it. I suspect this is a large resistor also, bleeder resistor. There's the massive transformer here. Very nice. All that copper there. That's high grade stuff. These transformers are used in lots of high voltage projects, Tesla coils, things like that. As are these capacitors. This is a 50 to 60 hertz 2100 volt AC capacitor. It says on the side. There, you can see that. Might be quite hard to see with the label at that angle. Some good stuff there. Got a bell there as well. Jangly. There's the magnetron. I will be leaving that in there. Somewhere underneath there is a beryllium oxide ring. I won't be messing with that. Read why in the description, as I said. Some very good stuff inside of here, obviously. These transformers are worth quite a bit. Okay. Remove this capacitor. Be careful though, in case it's still charged. There we go. Very nice. Get that screw off there. Oh, that's stuck to me. Okay. See if I can remove that carefully. There we go. Very nice. Just remove the connector on there. This is likely still charged with a couple of 1000 volts. Seems to be a blocking diode on there that may have discharged it, but I won't be finding out. Let's try and get a better look at that label for you, so I can show you just how high voltage this thing is. There we go. There's the rating and the information. It's also very pure aluminium in this case. So good for metal salvage if you're planning on melting them down and you have loads. Big transformer next. The capacitor's gone, so the thing is carrying dangerous charge and now gone. So be safe to remove any other components. Although all of these are just plugs mainly. Very easy disassembly. At least it should be. Right, there we go. Case is freed. See if I can get these off here. Crimped connectors. See that on there? Nice. One. Do the next. Oh, wow, that's heavy. Look at that. Beautiful, massive heavy gauge transformer. High voltage projects. I could even make an arc furnace with a couple of these. May do once I get another few microwaves. I got lots more copper. I have the heavy gauge stuff from Salvage that I found around Christmas. The attic full of massive thick gauge triple solid core copper. Similar to this stuff that's wrapped inside of that there, the red wire, but much thicker. So I could rewire this coil to stupid ampage if need be. There's the two main salvage objects that were within the microwave. High voltage capacitor, high voltage transformer. Both very nice. Let's get some more stuff out of here. Don't think there's much left. There's a fan there. Some other stuff. And that looks like a stepper motor. Indeed it is, a 30 volt AC one. That would be for the bottom tray then, rotating. See if I can get this off. Seems to be sort of stuck on there. Lots of gunk and crap underneath too. Don't really want that. There we go. Lots of metal here. Like this front door off ideally. Ooh, that's quite sharp. Be careful there. Got a small circuit board here. There's a relay. Yep, looks like they have silver in them inside of that black box there. If it is a relay, it might be a capacitor. Ooh. Nope, I think that's a relay. And a couple of 10 watt resistors. These are quite useful. Toroid, fuse. There's a capacitor, the yellow thing at the back. Film capacitor. Also have a couple of ceramic ones. Standard aluminium. There's a Zener diode, that orange thing, that contains germanium metal. Worth a little bit. So, lots in its microwave. Not sure what this is either. Pretty sure it's a bleeder resistor. Could be wrong. But that'll be worth further examination. I will take pictures and post them in a thumbnail, as I usually do. All the interesting bits. Anything of picture worthiness. More screws. Just try and get to this circuit board. I think I might leave that bell. I have no need for that, and it's not exactly good scrap. I do, you know, process e-waste. Well, that bell's not really e-waste. A lot of these connectors are very stuck on that. Wow, that one didn't come off at all. There we go. Next, there are many connectors on this. Oh, that's a momentary switch, high voltage switch. I'll keep that. nice AC high voltage light bulb there. Nice. It's still functional. Looks to be intact. It's a nice extra find. I could use that to discharge the capacitor. Just removing these bits of the magnetron. That's the microwave gun there. Little greasy smeg and stuff inside here. It's very nasty. Kind of glad I wore a mask. As it is food waste and stuff. Gross. Wow, there's so many connectors on this thing. Trying to get through all the wire. Copper salvage, after all. Circuit board has been freed. Some good stuff on that, as I showed you, but nice better closer look. Ooh, lots of silver solder on the back, very, very shiny. It's probably alloyed with tin, but still, good salvage. There's also lots of copper trace on there. Almost there, not too much left. Lots of wire. There's nothing too much inside of the magnetron anyway. A couple of magnets. Some extremely poisonous material. Things like that. Damn it. I hate these connectors. Brute force type thing. Momentary switches, quite useful. Some salvage within them. No, that one broke on me. Damn it. It's the inside of the switch. Nothing too much in there anyway. Fair enough. Get this one intact maybe. That way I could have a couple. No great loss if I don't. Yeah, I got it. Another momentary switch. Those are quite high voltage then. Don't see many things for this circuit board. It's just a mechanism. There ain't really any circuit board there. It's just for the back. Fair enough. That seems to be all the electronics within it then. Small motor there. Grabbing that one also. Only one screw left on that. Might as well get that. Quickly. My screwdrivers. Yep. And that's all the wire also. Very nice. So good salvage from this. Still got the mains wire here. Forgot about that. So quite a bit there. Some brass. Or is that brass? No, there's a zinc alloy. Yep. Very nice anyway. And there's nothing much left in here. No wire or electronics anyway. Well, till the next teardown.